Hi, I'm Jason Brown, creator of the ultimate online stocks and options trading platform, Power Trades University. This is where my team and I help beginner and experienced investors quickly learn how to become successful traders in the stock market. In this program, we have over 100 plus video modules totaling over 30 hours of education content, teaching you on how to read stock charts, how to determine the best times to buy or sell, knowing whether to use call or put option strategies, and how to enter and exit the trade. I share all of my secrets to help you pick the trades that have a high probability of winning. I teach how to research if a company is projected to do good or bad, and I also share how to protect your account if the market is going down using different option strategies. I also provide live group coaching every week where I look for real trades with my real money in the real stock market to show what I'm thinking about buying in real time. Not only do I go through my trades live, but I also record and timestamp every video so you don't miss a thing. And to take it a step further, we've created a trade tracker that logs all of the trades we're looking at, and that gives you a detailed report of when we observe the chart pattern, what strategy we're thinking about using, what our projection is for the trade, and our thoughts on when and why to enter and exit the trade. We also have an ever-growing community of stock market and option traders who interact daily in our group trading forum, giving value to each other by discussing current trades that they're looking at, supporting each other by answering each other's questions, giving insight and feedback on current market conditions, and sharing success stories to encourage and support each other. My team and I also interact in the forums, answering questions and sharing our combined knowledge to help out as much as we can. We also hold trading contests where you have a chance to win free stock valued from $10 up to $1,000, like Facebook, Apple, Walmart, NEO, as well as cool other prizes. The program includes a wide range of free assets and downloads, such as the free stock trading charting software. I also share my free trade ticket, which is a PDF that helps you guide through placing trades, my option trading profit grid to help you know what option strategy to use and which one to choose, my $1 million spreadsheet to help you know how to plan your financial future to become a millionaire in 5 years, and quizzes to help test your knowledge after each course to make sure you're understanding what you're learning and more. So whether you're a new investor not knowing where to begin in the stock market, or you're an experienced trader looking to thrive in an active community of traders to grow your skills and get new trading ideas, this program has huge benefits for all. So join today, see why people are saying it's worth more than a 4-year college degree.